Freecash has become one of my favorite platforms for paid surveys. Even though it hosts the same survey walls that you see elsewhere, you can use the surveys to unlock exclusive bonuses. Earning 1,000 coins a week, which is $1, will gain you access to the bonus ladder. This lets you claim a daily login reward, which can be leveled up to 10 cents a day. You get an additional go on the bonus ladder for each survey you do, with $1 or more. There's an option of risking your bonus to win double, but you would only break even in the long run by doing this, so I just take the money. Making $1 within 24 hours unlocks a streak bonus for that day. Claiming this on consecutive days will earn you progressively larger rewards. The streak culminates on day 7, where you'll win a mystery prize between 10 cents and $50. The minimum total bonus you'll get for a week-long streak is $1.67. Remember to manually claim your streak bonus from the reward section each day.
Don't forget it!
Freecash features an aggregator, which shows surveys from across all their survey walls. I often come across higher paying surveys here. However, I also like to check CPX directly. The disqualification bonus from CPX actually counts towards your daily streak, whereas the bonus from the aggregator doesn't count. Ideally, you want to find a $1 survey on CPX, which lets you start straight away. Try to avoid the screening questions that CPX places before some surveys. This is unpaid data collection, which often leads to a dead end. You can exit the screening questions and try another survey by using the sorting feature. If you're really struggling to reach $1 from surveys, then you can transfer over earnings from PixelPointTV. This is a video viewing platform that pays you to watch adverts. It's usually best to redeem PixelPointTV earnings to another platform called LootUp, as they scale your points up, and you can also win earnings boosters. As a last resort to save your streak though, 1,300 points will get you enough coins.
If it's an emergency then...
Freecash pays quickly to PayPal without fail, so you can claim your daily rewards with confidence. Use my promo code when signing up to get a mystery case containing a cash prize. Plus, get 3 more cases if you win just $1 in 48 hours. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll visit again soon for more lazy money making tips.